Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to write a few lines of code to refresh our pivot table. Let's get started. Now looking at the data, we have the account manager and the total sales. Now we have this supplementary data also that we're going to add to the main data and have everything automatically refreshed upon a single click. Of course, my data is formatted in Excel table, so I have the table design contextual ribbon tab available, so I can of course summarize with pivot table from here, or I can deploy Alt NV on my keyboard, and both leads me to the same create pivot table dialog box. So I actually want a new sheet, so I click on OK. Now in the pivot table fields, I can actually move this out. So let's quickly build a simple report. So I want to see account manager by total. So I have a single report. Now right click and let's add some number formatting. So I click on currency, and of course I don't want decimals. So okay. Now the next thing is to go to the Visual Basic for application editor. So I'm going to deploy Alt F11 on my keyboard, and that opens the VBA editor. So click on insert, and of course I want to insert a module. So for my sub, I'm going to just write in sub pt. Then my line of code, I'm going to declare a variable. I'm going to say dim pt as pivot table. So I'm going to say for each pt in active sheet dot pivot tables. So I'm going to say pt dot refresh pt dot refresh table. Then I'm going to say next pt. Now this is just the simple line of code that I need. So I'm going to close my VBA editor, and let's quickly add a single shape. So I think I like this. So let's add a shape here. Now I'm going to call this one PT refresh button. So I can of course add a quick oops, I selected it. Okay, let's align them and let's increase. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and assign macro. So I click on this PT and OK. So the next thing I'm going to do is come back to the main source data, and I'm going to cut and paste all this data, supplementary data, and I'm going to do Control V. Okay, I copied and pasted. So everything is incorporated into the table. Okay, that's one of the functionality of working in Excel table. So now let's come to the pivot table report sheet. Now see what happens. We have this data, and the grand total is 895,951. Now when I click on the fresh PT button, now see what happens. The table refreshed automatically. This is cool. Thank you for watching my video, and bye for now.